Mic check, mic check. Yang mana merong, cujum ciji comment. Yang mana merong. Mic check, mic check. Pwede tabot check ko yang mana merong. Cujum comment yang mana merong. Ya gue.
Ya ko nga na aolep rone jalu je laibinan bisa bene bilo yoto Kamolool lani kan cuan carakan ranaman te raini ne raneo kain kajilungan celebrate wiginan early childhood yoim activity an raini ne science fair ah kacojo RiJikuul rejodokan kalaman la ko jan ko air jen kacojo sukul ko yon mejo ini malabar kumpur dengan RiJikuul ini beragi ro air kan jerbal gain kwalok jin ngan air ne melele gi kacojo rojaken raar ke bojingan caja rein retan caji jerbal gain mdale aolep jerbal gain air cejelo ilo cipongonin raini em rano tapa rano kain kajiluin ilo rano ini kars beling pi si belo kajin maya raini ne science fair emilju es si pone ngan cluster suan grade ke tutere Kamolool langan minister and public school system minister to the lang katua commissioner kansi usia oleh associate commissioner ro national pota bajukejen ro one dan Jeramman ngan member ro staff one public school system aolep Rikaki aolep RiJikuul mama yang pawa hubung cuma yang aolep ro recu tak dengan ajiri rein cuan rana ibojo do raini umol tata
Rom pa ya rum tak pernah aja kan.
ini yang panjang kepala wetannya ini kepala wetan program
Ya kue, atain Alina. Ya kue, atain Kigua. Ya kue, atain Torte.
wetan tadi kenanya
Kulut, cugu-cugun bereo. Raini, nirjuyun, jaklaj. Wawin korek, kakurajuan, cugu-cugun pen. Covid, jaga-jagut. Lada ini kian, kakura lo aja Taiwan. Aku na. Kacatakin berapa? Wakar kemalin nampak rekakure cukup tere mencalani kemampat yung ekakure meja toto. Ewa cuan kacuduk. Elemen ar kebajara coreng kingan cuan cukup per. Elemen. Cuan. Gobet cukup gobet. Number recycle. Number ciru. Yakadu cukup. Number elemen. Kaca perok. Ejenucen kobe. Number walim. Kamaciwa. Risal. Jujum lale. Jugun pereu. Aneh. Ay wujud yumeru. Elik tata iwe cewir tata. Wewing kaya barok. Jugun pereu. Stop pulujen. Karila kubik kalag yakwe.
Mana ka pa, Ajiri? Okay, next. Kalau tarin nga juto taki oleh project kayak RiJikuul kacita kami ta project kayak ram cukup tak. Ya, kami stay tune.
Yung tayo diutan raja na kaya but the effect of light on plant growth. Our aim is to examine the effect of sunlight on plant growth. It was hypothesized that the plant on sunny area would grow well, while the plant was placed under shaded area would not grow well. These are our parts for the plants and the results. And that is Kimigo. Raw. Minako kaya aming experiment material. 1 packet of pastel seed. Other seed types can be used. Bread, silk, sheep, beans. 3 small plastic cups. Potting soil. 1 small shovel. Watering can, notebook, and pencil. 3 different rows. Location, full sun, some sun, no little sun. Thank you. And these are our plants that we took from our garden. And these 2 are good. This one is bad because we left it at our class to make it rest. That's why it's dead.
Miromol.
Hi, my name is Anisha. I'm grade 3 and I'm from Assumption School. So the project we're working on is soil erosion. Instruction is soil erosion is the natural process in which the topsoil of a field is carried away by physical sources such as wind and water. Soil erosion is a major problem affecting soils all over the world. Causes of soil erosion. Wind and water are the agent of soil erosion. Animal overgrazing, heavy machinery, lack of crop rotation. Deforestation, cutting down of trees, agriculture, construction, human activities. Soil erosion impacts. Nutrient loss in soil, health problems for both plants, animals, and lack of soil abilities to hold water during heavy rains. Crater dust storm and dust issues destroyed Mother Nature. Air and water will be polluted.
My name is Kasa Agustin. I'm in grade 3 and I'm from Assumption School. This is the soil erosion. The soil erosion is the roots of the plants hold the soil firmly and hold it in place against the force of wind and water. Soil layers. Surface layers, topsoil, subsoil, parent material, and bedrock. Importance of plants to soil erosion. Plants cover the land and the soil erosion of the following reasons. Plant roots hold the soil in position and prevent it from being washed away. Plants break the impacts of raindrop before it hits the soil through reducing its ability to erode. Plants slow down water as it flows over the land. Runoff, and this allows much of the rain to soak into the ground. The rain plants in wetlands and on the bank of the river are particular importance, and they slow down the flow of the water, and their roots line the soil to prevent erosion. Make sure to subscribe.
So this is where the waters have been dried, and this is where the plants grow, and the water link down to the bottle. So what we learn about this is about soil erosions and planting grasses.
Thank you.
My name is Roy. My project is about chickenpox, and I used all these projects. Every project is on to our final exam until I all say. To our pre-calculation, we always entitle, and we always this disease will get into your final body and stink to our system. To our care, we might get our own specs and get our care and drink medicine every day to all and reality to get our the best thing our final day of 4 weeks. It takes about 5 to 6 days, 4 to 7 days, and 1 to 2 days. These days are a calcium. These days might happen. These days are up. You will get the disease and all our recalculation to us totally. And these diseases will get more and more interesting to our final exam and to our life. We might get our worship to Almighty, and we get diseases every day for our get to our hand.
Talk about your project.
Chickenpox is a contagious disease, which this disease might get into other people to our lives, and we might have some calculation with our care, and this is the one to care of our calcium in the synthetic or medicine might get about 7 days until.
Okay, thank you.
Omol, ako yung Chupong. Project kawan Tinter Long Island Elementary School. Ini raar po dok. Ikon kanunugan. Meron ko project PB ka brumulak. May lad ko ray. Erok ko jangan erok. Waka chida ngewar kachida di chain experiment. Tayo ini wala ko lo tabaragin project ero. Raar po dok. John madal kay lagi chain. Ini kay jangan anu ko takala ka dyan. Pag kamuan poster ratangan ka jerbal piwaga. John yung wawin kay. Kumar kanan po dok tik peligilo. Yeni nawuragan ngelis ailu. Eñiin kum ni jalu je pijange war kacita kum cabra lara ro kun tojangan ai ro wak kok kumol tata.
Ramiro, Adam.
Tayo ko.
Adain Samuel.
Can you reply to them?
Kinter.
More data.
Tataya kalit. Tatay naltine lang lung. Anin lang ang marigang matawan kalakatan. Tataya kalit. Tatay nujen juret. Tatan pura jake. El metan job man kisiko. Ina lang ang marigang matawan kalak. Tatan akalok. Hidana kalak dan material gain ikijen. Matataya kalak ngaji tangan akalak. Step ako tanaka. Step suan. Luta kayangan. Lawan. Mamit. Step ruwa. Luta kay copengan. Latih. Step silu. Luta kay plak pedayangan. Lawan Rene.
Cuman maroñ coba yang main kenangan diri. Cuman coba yang main kenangan diri. Kayak kommani berapa?
Ngamit. Step emen. Katulak. Peyungan. Rene. Yung taka kumijiloy. Ajiri untuk katulak peyungan cope. Ngamit. Amit.
Man, kemol. Berapa aja ke?
Kemudian tuh jakang. Oke.
Ini yang maroñ.
Salah kata miang.
Salah katanya.
Magtataya kalit. Atayin di alani pero.
Atau nggak? Kalau pengen kan?
Magtataya ko alit. Atayin berejuluk. Magtataya ko alit. Atayin John Paul. Magtataya kalit. Atayin Diablo shoot.
Rewek tanah ini.
Orang kaju ke dalam miang.
Melele jetun genweng.
Pahatan kaju ke dalam miang.
Melele bil.
Katain wes dia.
Melele jetun genweng.
Miang kan anak kuang ke keden. Oke.
Ini kwalok. Cuman coba yang main kenai. Yang cuman ikan melele.
Weh, ngai pamane.
Kayak kemana cuman? Lalap aja lalap ikan.
Cuman ikan ada, cuman ikan.
Tata lu tak jilu pilin putar. Jilu. Wan, yani kuat. Sini lu tak kamen pilin keroi. Lu tak kangen mina. Awas dia mana ya? Ini jangan lu tak lo. Ngang. Ini letok rakayong dale waiwenan jele
Jangan
kada
tahu pengajar belum. Mana?
mochi we mochi we
Tidak ada kan dia?
egri we
Aman, Kamolool. Apa jaga?
Dia nggak orang itu. Ah, dalam kan orang ini. Letok ni ko yung orang ini.
Kajian kan?
letok kaya labra jawane bakwe alik tata jini katulian nata yung dale waiwenan wal jele kada aja
Kamu kamu lagi tanya ke? Kenal kan mereka?
Eta
Tidak. Dale punya tu lang.
ewel
Oil. Oh. Kamolool. Oh, pamilya Kamolool. Ito, siguro tayo kilala. Oh, this is right.
my name is Peony
Kilala.
Kinder
Kinder. Okay. On to the next person.
your turn Nanto oh you don't mic my name is Renzo and I go to co-op and we're gonna do some of these ice things. And,
Say your name.
my name is Ayana. I go to co-op and we're gonna do the science project for which one is gonna melt first.
Okay. Alright, you guys gonna do the project now? Somebody can explain. Kamarang melele. Or you can explain, yeah?
When it's dark, the when it's dark, it will melt slowly. When it's light, it'll melt fast. Hey, next person. Your turn. Hey, Ayana, can you do? We did salt on the ice, and second we blow dry the thing. Ayana, look.
What did you do next?
Are you nervous?
Yes, she.
No, I'm thinking. If one of them melts first, you use the blower for if they melt first.
So what color usually melts first?
Yellow. Yellow and blue.
Why?
Yellow and light is green.
Why a yellow melt first?
Because it's the lightest color.
The lightest color?
And when it's dark, it will melt slowly. And then when we put salt on it, it'll melt fast. So we have the ice and then we'll put on salt and then we'll blow dry the thing and see which one melts faster than the other ones.
What's the air fryer for?
is for melting the ice, for making the ice melt. The blow dryer can melt the ice. If they melt, that means the first one will melt. Which color?
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
I say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Agad ka lagi. What's your name?
Martin, and I'm 6 years old, and I am kindergarten. I'm co-op school.
What's your name?
Jojo.
What grade are you?
Kindergarten.
And you?
Chloe.
Grade?
Kinder.
You guys are from Guam. Okay, what's your project about? Okay, you can look up. Three little pigs whose houses is straw. You want to explain your project?
3 little pigs. These houses are from Marshall Islands. And one of them are not strong. One of them are strong. 3 little piggy. One of them is not strong. One of them is not strong. And these 2 are not strong. Let's see. Jojo, come. Chloe, come. Chloe, you can use the hair dryer. Chloe, you can use the hair dryer.
What is the hair dryer for?
Machine. Here's a
What do you do with the hair dryer?
for blowing the house.
You guys are blowing the house with the hair dryer? Oh, that's so cool. Which one is stronger, the wood or the straw? Which one?
The bricks.
Oh, the blocks.
Bricks. They're not
bricks.
blocks. The bricks.
That is so cool. Alright, thank you guys.
You're welcome. Thank you.
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 Emman yawen relep projaga ajiri ra melele ken renning chol tayo keman bue loje dewen chol eba ijo ba loje deo ijo over ken elen kain mini Jeramman gui emenang chilu matan emenin lalin libobo ken ren renin renning chol em Pacific Ocean renning chol mega laptada ilo lalin em tayo keman bue en chol loje deo eno chuan malo glip eba chue eba laga morgo ilojet red keman bue rene loje den barang chol Eñiin kar ekadagan ajiri rein kar pokodongan relevenin tayo keman bue renin loje den chol Pag kwedalangan aur ejol loje den kwedalangan arno ejol loje den awal ben chigiri ejol loje chuan malo glip eba yengane laga ka bore ko loje red keman bue chol komor dada prada
Marong kaya parang payatan chubutan.
eba paedam Yup. Halo Adam, Kenya, hari. Adam,
Ako luto enjoy.
Iji to jen?
Ito ko din Aries. Ito hindi ya. Ngato ko din Aries.
Katulog. Ari. Rain kagi ngat to ka dyan. Ajiri. Ari.
Jeramman.
Atayin nana. Ngaju to ko din Aries. Atayin jeje to ko din Aries. Atayin miora.
Iji to jen? Kan dulu hari.
Aries.
Ya kan? Halo Adam,
Miken.
Iji to jen dulu. Hari.
Aries. Tayin arji ngato ko din jugul Aries.
Man,
Kamol.
man Kamolool dah.
It is raining.
Jago yang tayang Arya. Hi, my name is Tulipe. Hi, my name is Leo. Say your name.
Okay. Who's gonna explain about your project?
Our project is about the coral reef habitat. And the question is about how animals survive in a coral habitat. Procedure. We predict that our model will look like a coral habitat. Materials. Box, hot glue, toy animals, and blue paint. Procedure. Step 1. Get a box and paint it blue. Step 2. Place the corals. Step 3. Place the plants. Step 4. Place the animals in the box. Results. A model of coral reef. Conclusion. We create a coral reef habitat that helps us how animals interact with each other.
Oh, that's so cool. All right, thank you. You want to say something? Okay. Okay. Manangat ko manicure.
Mini air elevator.
Kumimot back here mo ba ng pang?
Emot.
Kaya naman.
Mini air elevator. Minute command be and cargalak Jeramman command be ereo meja todo.
Oh, kala ko magkilala ng jerbal. Oh. Okay. Ang manerlak uni syringium waling alak ono telebeta. Cecet komol.
My name is Danny. My name is Claire.
My name is Marley.
Oh, not CL, CHL. Not CL, CHL.
All right, what's your project about?
A mini robot. But we call it a buzzing insect.
Hold the mic. Talk to the mic. Okay?
A mini robot, but we call it a buzzing insect. It can't fly, but it can walk and fly.
We just call it, it's just buzzing. That's why our result is buzzing. That's why it's called buzzing insect. It only makes buzzing sounds.
Question. How to make a buzzing insect? Hypotheses. We predict that our insects
Model wood buzz.
will buzz.
Materials. Our materials are motor, 2 wires, fan, big battery, 6 toothpicks, hot glue gun, pipe cleaners, and pom-poms. And the steps are: get the pipe cleaner into the toothpick, put the pipe cleaner around the toothpick, glue the toothpick on the battery, connect the motor on the battery, put the 2 wires on the battery and the motor. See your insect buzz. Miley, it's your turn.
This can move. This
Result.
one can result.
Buzzing insect.
Buzzing insect. Conclusion.
We built a robot
The robot that could
buzz
buzz
using
using
simple materials.
simple materials.
Our
Our robot was
powered by
powered by
a battery.
a battery.
Alright, thank you. Kumol ko assumption. Kumpiwa ke? Okay. Okay, kung minute pa yatami, kailangan tayo yung project na namin. Mana kayo? Okay, yatam.
Yeah. Ito yung great. Chola.
Richard.
Holly.
Tidak kompor kommani non-stop dancing. It works, but the straw inside it's broken. So we tried to glue it, and then it doesn't work.
This is my science project. It's called the solar oven. The trick question is, did you know Earth receives more energy from the sun in 1 hour than the planet uses in a year? So the materials that we use, say the materials. Materials are foil, wooden stick, wrapping paper, and a piece of box. Okay, the process is, the way how this works is the sun hits the foil, it goes into the box, the wrapping paper seals the box so the sun won't be able to go out. The paper inside absorbs the energy from the sun, and then the foil inside makes the box inside of it hot. So that would be enough energy to cook your food.
Alright. Kumol tada assumption. Kumiyang kumol. Okay. Aries, kumpiwa ke? Okay. Kumit pa yatami, kailangan tayo yung top project na yun. Mana kayo?
Dahin mo ko. Ito yung our girlfriend. Ngay kilachilu.
jarin pente cuan telepon. Oh, itu telepon jarin pente cuan. RC boat. Oleh ben kilanya na kommani. Yung metan ngai cijiber kering kaya majang ngai cijiber pura epek.
Aman, como la ries.
My name is Liam. My name is Ichiro. My name is Vitaline. And we're presenting the solar system. I am 8 years old. I'm 8 years old. I'm 8 years old. So we're all 8 years old. So our project is about the solar system. The solar system can spin about 1 year, and so we have questions, hypothesis, producer, result, and materials. Conclusions and materials. And we have the title over there. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't. That's it?
You want any questions about the planets, those stuff?
Okay. All right. Let me ask you a question. Okay, since they want me to ask a question, how many planets do we have?
8.
8 planets.
Yeah.
All right. Can somebody name them all? All right.
Me. I know. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
All right. Okay, is Pluto a planet?
No, it's a dwarf planet. It's a dwarf planet. It used to be a planet, but it's now a dwarf planet.
Okay. So what's the biggest thing in the middle?
The sun. What's the biggest planet? Jupiter.
Okay. What is the farthest planet?
Neptune. Pluto.
Like you said, it used to be a planet, right? Yeah. Okay. All right, thank you, Co-op. You guys are awesome.
Amalio. Gustavo.
My name is Mela.
My name is Kylie. All of us. Huh? Our title is Making John with Popsicle Stick. Our scientific question is how to solve traffic in the Marshall Islands. Our hypothesis is we predict that our drone will fly. Our materials are
DC motor, fan, popsicle stick, candle switch, hot glue, electric tape, drill, cup stick, batteries.
So our producer is drill the popsicle sticks, put the kebab stick in the hole, put the DC motor, add the candle switch, add the batteries to the DC motors. Our result is a popsicle sticks with our popsicle sticks drones with moving propellers.
our current solution is we invented a drone model. The drone model could be upgraded to fly. What more batteries? Imagine you're riding in your own. Wouldn't be that so fun?
This is why we made the drone. We are trying to invent something to help traffic jam in the Marshall Islands.
Go ahead.
We're done.
That's it. All right, thank you, Paul. Okay, they're ready. Okay, when I fire them, yung kumiroy ko biya fire them yan o may stop right. Fire them.
And your last name?
My name is Morikwa, and my last name is Nivento.
My name is Felix and my last name is DeBrun.
My name is Miracle, and my last name is Miracle.
Okay, what's your project about?
It's a desert habitat.
Melele. Melele kiri.
The animals survive for foods.
Muka, let me do it. How do animals survive in a desert? We predict our model will look like a desert.
Kung naman kami lalagan model na yan. Then problem.
The animal survive for foods when they're hungry.
You can just explain about the box.
Okay, so
What's in the box?
camels eat grass and they drink water somewhere in the pools.
Camels eat foods from the grass.
That's it? Okay. All right, Kamolool. Thank you. All right. What's wrong? All right, you're gonna.
My name is Eñiin. My name is Logan. So we're gonna represent the forest habitat. Question: how do animals survive in a forest habitat? Hypothesis: we predict that our model will look like a forest habitat. Materials: box, paint, glue gun, animal model. Procedure: number 1, get a box. Number 2, get a glue gun. Number 3, paint the box. Number 4, get some animal model. Number 5, glue the animal model in the box. Result: a model of forest habitats. Conclusion: recreated a forest habitat.
That's it? Nice, thank you. Fist bump. All right.
Hi, my name is Petri. Hi, my name is Jacqueline. And our project is called Coral Reef Habitat. Scientific question. How does living and non-living things in the coral reef habitat interact? Hypothesis. We think that living things and non-living things in the coral reef need each other to live. Purpose. The purpose of our project is to learn more about the coral reef habitat and help others take care of ourselves. Our material. Blue paint, coral toys, seaweed, dead corals, fish toys, shells, pipe cleaners, box, and also glue gun. Procedures. Paint the box blue, set up the corals, organize the seaweed, organize the fishes, add the clams, octopus, and starfish, spread out the sea snails on the coral. Data. Algae gets food from sunlight, and coral polyps eat algae, crabs eat dead things, and lobsters eat fish and crabs, and also octopus eats lobsters, and sharks love to eat octopus. Results. Living things in the ocean interact with non-living things all the time. Fish rely on dead corals for their homes. Facts. Coral reefs are homes to millions of sea creatures. Corals are animals, not plants. Coral reefs are colorful because of algae, and also coral needs sunlight to grow, and coral reefs protect wildlife, and also coral reefs protect us during storms. Conclusion. It was great to learn that animals, plants, and dead things interact in the coral reef habitat. Fish need dead coral for their homes. Small fish get eaten by big fish. Big fish gets eaten by bigger and scarier fish like sharks. Acknowledgement. Mr. Koroy, he supervised the making of our project. Thank you, that's all for today. And we would like to show you our model. And this is our model. There's fish, sharks, lobsters, turtles, and such more things. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. That was co-op. Okay, what's your name?
Daya.
What's your name?
Naya.
Your name?
Angel.
What's your name?
Asher.
All right, and what's your project?
Mixing color. I didn't have any project.
You wanna explain about your project? You wanna explain? Okay, so it's a plant. What's on the plant?
You want to explain, Sanzo, about the plant? Okay, he'll explain. The plant.
I don't know.
See,
I
that's,
don't know.
see,
I
that's
don't
the
know how to
picture of
read.
the plant. You don't have to read. Just say that's the plant.
All wuliga. All of them ruliga. Umaro ka pachirik. Okay, taka na ilo udan na.
Wheat. Fruit. Pap. Fruit. Leaf. Flower.
Kamol.
Azure.
Kamol assumption. Edan olip na udan na.
Plant.
All right, good job. All right, moving on. Ya okay. Kuna ka pajirik? Ya okay. Okay, cholo. Ayo, demo ito. Oh, my feet. Alikar. All right. Okay. Adam?
Denzel. Kwalok. Celine.
Assumption in the house. Chipar pa tayo. Okay. Then project ka namin.
The one that sink and float.
Ay, kajin pele ka mayo. Do I speak? Multi-talented.
These ones. These ones are heavy. These ones are not heavy.
Ako yung minago kaya Reje Pebi. Yung minago kaya Red Tumulawak. Wait, chill. Ako, kumiro mall. Kumiro pa, kumol.
Mall. Come on.
Ako, wait. Tahan project ka na.
Vertebrate sand collection.
Talk about the vertebrate science.
Tayo vertebrate.
Animals with bones.
Kung magkamalala chirik ta project ka na. Can you explain a little bit about your project?
Yeah.
Oh, just explain about your project.
Vertebrate. Animals with bones. Dogs, cats, tigers. Backbones. Dinosaurs, human beings. Invertebrate. Animals without bones. Octopus, caterpillar, snake, spider, lizard.
Thank you.
Okay.
Show me that model. Okay, show me which ones are vertebrate and which one is invertebrate.
These are vertebrates and these are invertebrates.
Okay, talk to the mic, okay? What's your name?
Daisha,
What school you from? What school?
Ascension School.
Alright, can you tell me about your project?
You make red and yellow wave and then turn to orange. You put yellow. You mix yellow and blue, and then you wave turn to green.
That's it? Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye
of matters.
What's your project about?
It's about matters. Solid have their different volume and hold their shape. Liquid, you can drink it and you cannot hold it. Gas, it's everywhere around us and you can breathe. So if you try to hold liquid, it'll slip out of your hand. This is solid and this is liquid and gas.
Thank you. What? Wait, Jikul time? Atan Jikul eh? Okay. Jikul tayo na bilang.
Right.
Etam bro. Etam.
Alik. Elikia. Ini.
Okay, warna ka na tayo lang ng project eh. Ayan na yun. Amot ka na. Kita lang ng project.
Iya kayak. Dia tinggal kan state of nether. Kacau. Will the balloon blow up when mixed with vinegar and baking soda? Buat, yes. Baking, because the baking soda mix bubbles and gas, and that's how it will make the balloon blow up. Example of nether: salad, pencil, book, and book. Liquid soda and orange juice. Gas, steam, and air. Kami ang ating kommani experiment. Step 1. Pour the vinegar into the glass. Step 1. Pour the vinegar into the glass. Step 2. Put the balloon into the funnel. Step 3. Pour 1 table of baking soda into the funnel and the balloon.
6. Hold the bottom of the balloon where that bit baking soda is at. Step 7. Slowly lift up the bottom end of balloon onto the glass until all the baking soda is in the glass of vinegar. Dissolve. Vinegar plus baking soda equal blow up. Man kaya makakan. So if you want the balloon bigger, get bigger, you can add more baking soda and vinegar. More tara.
Ako Jeramman ako. Jerakul tayo?
Lies.
Long Island Elementary School. Lukkun naman performance yo. Woo! Cecet. Okay. Okay, Jerakul tayo ni kaya. Oh, Pepti juga. Ya, we. One night present. One night melele kan project namin yang.
My name is Benam. My name is Nesiko. My name is Christy.
Hey. Okay, go ahead. What's your project about?
So our project is over here on this side. So first we're going to put the water inside this cup.
Okay, you can keep explaining while she do a demonstration.
So after we put this in, we're going to put the sugar into the next cup. This cup we're going to put the sugar. Until it's all finished. Now this next cup, we are going to put the sugar inside of the next cup. This cup we are going to put the sugar. So after they put the sugar, they're going to put some more water. All the way here? Yes. No. The sugar goes all the way here, and then the water goes all the way here.
I was asking for
So as they're doing this, you first have to,
Why do you say?
So we have to put it all the way to this line. Jojo, not that side. And now it's going to be finished. Now we're going to add some more water into this one, halfway. going to mix it until it's Can I put the food coloring? And now wait for a little bit. And now get the blue food coloring. More water. Add more water to the cup. All finished. Now add the blue color RiJikuul and add it right 3 drops. See, this one stays up.
How about this one?
This one now. This one gets sucked in with the liquid. It only has water. This one has sugar and water. It keeps it up. Thank you.
Sweet. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, you guys ready? Okay.
Hi, my name is Kyria. I school in MBCS school. I'm in 3rd grade.
Hi, my name is Sienna. My school is MBCA and I'm in 3rd grade.
Hi, my name is Angela. I'm at 3rd grade. I'm representing MBCA school. And the title of our experiment is light refraction. The supplies that we needed, it's a piece of paper, marker, glass, and water. Step 1, get the sheet of paper and draw 2 arrows on it. One near the top and one near the bottom. Draw the arrows in the same direction.
What's she doing right now?
She's drawing the arrows.
What's it gonna do? What's that supposed to do?
We're gonna pour the water inside, and then we put the paper behind it, and it will magically turn to that side.
Oh, okay.
Now step 2,
All right,
pour
let's see.
the water in it.
Right now she's gonna put the water.
Step 3, slowly lower the piece of paper behind the cup.
Right. Ah, sweet. It's pointing the other way.
And if you back up the paper, it will get smaller. But if you get the paper closer to the cup, it will get bigger.
Ah, it's like a magnifying glass. That's so cool. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Adan cukup nih? Elliot. Repo aja. Kapan? Kau pun pak pun payah tamia.
Ya kayak ebai namia ela bani biar kayak mata tanin rein biar baju anak mata tanin tabora.
Ada apa?
Tabora.
Ada?
Raven.
Katan peraja kan aja. Orang kan melele kan peraja kan aja.
Eksperimen tuh yang aja tuh kalau red. Wewe dan gak kokrengim.
Oh. Oh, kumiga kwalok.
Ayat.
Apa? Kwalok atau kiri? Apa kumiga remote? Elias. Ayubuj, yang mana ka ayubuj?
Ayot.
Katakan ni Renana.
Pi. Kwalok. Kode yung grape juice.
Pwede taging ni.
Kayo rin yung weed.
Ayun ko mo.
Katayin Daddy. Katayin Jetpur. Katayin Mania. Katayin project natin hand washing experiment. Kami di rameng tek. Ajiri di tek. Tek. Tecuan. Kedalaman dan what? Udara pegang yon ngan yon rene yung coba lawan rene yung lale tayo awak tayo jerah kaya wan rene job lugut ceruk job ngan mana rin peyum Yim coba yang dari lala tayo wow. Itang.
Elak kain ni kita. Elak kain ni kita.
Mama ini kita kajen. Jen coba. Kile eka korwa. Eka kejaran. Jen buat ewan jeramman ngajolak kejuka. Aku patap kejaran. Renim job jeramman man kejuka. Kalau lo job, lukkun 8 aorōk. Ilju jaklaj. Ini zaman pem. Kalau pem kan ngaku kalau ngaruh pem menat amanam mau. Kalau pem kan ayo buat cium job. Give me 5. What should rain try?
Amol. What's your name?
Cedric,
What's your last name?
Peter.
Grade junior.
My name is
Kenji.
My name is Tani.
My name is Ujwa.
Who's explaining about the project?
Him. So our title is climate change. And we're seeing which one melts faster to see if we actually really need our environment. So if like this one melted faster, then you can see, then this would have shown how much we actually needed our ozone layer. If we didn't have one, then it would just be like that. It will melt, and so like everything in our earth will be like not very watery, not kind of like that stuff. So our materials were tin foil, sand, rocks, ice, and trays. The conclusion was that this one melted faster because it didn't have an ozone layer, but this one had an ozone layer, and it protected all of the sunlight from coming in. So it actually shows how much we actually need our environment. And our procedure was that we got 2 trays, pour ice into both of the trays, and covered one of them with tin foil, and then put them outside. And we timed how much it melted, and it looks like that one melted faster, and this one melted took a little bit more time. And so yeah, our results are this. This is our results. The pig looks very sad. So yeah, that's all.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, team.
Atay Mia. Mia. Tiara Kamila ka.
Hoy. Titan.
Sinda.
Matapur aja kan unay ka melele ka. Ka melele. Unto aja ka. Kan pati ni kan project. Pati. Coba mai. Coba. Roy, coba kan dah. Kalau tay ni aja kan. Ini mah. Tay. Melele. Tangan dik. Tane.
No.
Tane.
No. No.
Chop. No.
No.
Basta mo na itong mo ni.
Water. Karat.
Oke. Kemarin gue kami lelengan ya, Reng.
Daron kolben percayakan RiJikuul tar one month akan no. Yang ini percayakan combine food color yung chicho shell yung krijuel. Ini orang waling takai.
Mol tara. Chigul tayo?
Chugule chen wajah. Wajah elementary.
Wajah elementary. Kumiyang ang mall.
Jaklaj. Eñiin. Mikey.
Mamay ka malala ng project eh. Malala ka.
Kwatani. Kwatay. Kwatay rene dengan polem. Yung para wala-wala. We. Wala-wala judak kedet doon. Yung katulang view. Jawa view. Yung katulang kawag polem.
Kumiyang ka? Kumira mall. Kumiyang ang mall. Ito yung chigul eh. Eñiin. Elementary school. Kumiro ang mall. Okay. Yeah, wana malangan chigul yun. Parar. Okay. Etong.
Pa.
Natalie Leona.
Okay. Chin 70. Okay. Kung may kamalala kan project ka na eh. Okay.
Kumro kwalipin ka na kay chalak germs. Kung using sprinkle ka na kay long germs. Ya kung using napkin. Ya engak. Sa napkin. Pag kamu na yan, jerbal siya ko. Pag katutulipin. Parang show kay Jago. There. Science fair.
All done. All right, thank you. And this is 7th day. All right, moving on to the next school. But you go let you in here. Hi. What school is this?
SDA, Delap SDA.
All right. Kumiyang project eh? You guys ready? Okay, I guess I gotta talk English. You're gonna say your names, and someone's gonna explain your project. Okay? What's your name?
Pearl. Leanne. Naomi.
So who's explaining your project? All right, let's do it.
So what we're gonna do is balloon blow up. Our scientific question is, will the gas created by mixing vinegar and baking soda inflate the balloon? Hypotheses. We said yes because mixing vinegar and baking soda will create carbon dioxide, CO2, which is the same lungs that we use to blow a balloon.
So first thing we need empty bottle and baking soda and vinegar and add the balloon. So first we must put the baking soda inside the empty bottle.
putting baking soda, you put the vinegar inside the bottle. Then you put the balloon right away. So our result is that the vinegar and the baking soda reacted and created carbon dioxide, that is CO2. The CO2 expanded inside the bottle and inflated the balloon. So the carbon dioxide created by mixing vinegar and baking soda can inflate the balloon. Thanks for listening.
All right, good job, good job. All right. Moving on to the next school. You guys ready? All right. So you're gonna introduce yourselves, say your names, and then who's gonna explain the project, all right? All right, what's your name?
Chloe. Hi, my name is Alexa.
All right, tell me about your project.
Our project is about how do sugary drinks affect your teeth.
Want to explain a little bit? What are those?
These act as your teeth because the eggshell has the same has calcium, and your teeth also has calcium, and the eggs act as your teeth. And this is what happens when you drink sugary drinks. But if you drink water, it just stays clean.
So different colors from different. All right. So it shows that it's damaged. Cool. That's it. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. Co-op school, y'all. All right. On to the next one. Okay. You guys ready? All right. Say your names and then somebody explain your project.
My name is Joey.
Isabel. And Kotaro.
Our project is about germs and how they spread and how you can protect yourself. So, dying good.
Germs are tiny organisms, living things that cause diseases. Our purpose is to understand germs and how they spread. Hypothesis. We think germs spread when hands are not properly washed.
Germs are tiny organisms or living things that can cause diseases. Germs are so small and sneaky that they creep into our bodies without being noticed. What type of germs are there? Bacteria are single-cell organisms that can be both good or bad. Our bodies, bacteria can be found everywhere, even in digestive systems. Viruses. This is a kind of germ that cannot live on its own. Viruses need a food source, such as a living cell to survive. Fungi. Fungi is a multi-cell germ. Protozoa. This is another single cell or organism. Results. Washing your hands regularly is in fact an effective way to get rid of germs. Conclusion. Germs can be found everywhere, so it is important to take care protection to help avoid getting sick. We encourage taking some simple steps like washing your hands properly.
The materials for this project: ground black pepper and water and bowl or plate and dish soap. Instructions: 1. Start by gathering your bowl of water, black pepper, and dish soap. 2. Sprinkle some pepper into your bowl. These are the germs on our skin. 3. Cover one finger with dish soap. 4.
Stick the finger into the water in the center of the bowl if possible. See the pepper germs scatter from the soap. How can I protect myself from germs? Get your immunizations, getting shots, or cover up with mask, or wash your hands, or take care of your immune system. Getting good sleep or eating well will be strong and healthy body.
Thank you for listening to our project. Thank you. Any questions?
Good question. Thank you. Thank you, Co-op. Alrighty. What grade are you guys in?
Third grade.
Third graders. Let's go. Let's go. Good job. Okay. Patong nga nag-iaway, Co-op. More Co-op. Alright. Okay. Kami ka dyan, Majaw? Okay. Kumig pa yata ni. Yung one na melele kan project ka na. Oh, okay. Okay, what's your name?
Alexis, I'm 9. Mambo.
You want to explain about your project? There you go.
Yes or no? Yes.
Who's going to explain?
No, hey, it's Alexis.
There you go. Just explain about what is this about? There you go. Talk to the mic. You can hold the mic.
Function is louder. Do it. No.
Okay. You want to explain the project? You're the okay. One day, maroñ ka pala yung project. I know, you want to explain about their project? Because they're not, they don't want to, oh, you want to explain? Oh, that's what's up. Okay. Malele yung project na.
The project is about friction, and we're learning about inside. And then we do something
Ewan. Ewan. Sige guys. Okay, Kamolool Co-op. Kilacha de kumiyang? Kindergarten. All right. Good job. Okay. On to the next class. Okay. Say hi. Oh, they're hungry. Yeah, we're all hungry. Okay, Peter. You're going to say your name to the mic, and then I'm going to go to the next person, okay? What's your name?
Peter.
All right, what's your name?
Michaela.
Who's going to explain about your project? You can talk about it just a little bit. No? Everybody's hungry. Aolep kule. Okay. What are these? What are you guys talking about?
Lava lamp.
What does a lava lamp do?
I don't know.
Does it light up your room? Does it look like lava? Okay. Yeah. Okay, alik karagay yen move on. Did you want to malangan kurbo right? Okay, thank you. You want to explain a little bit about this project? Okay, all right, Kamolool. Okay, Kamolool tata. Okie dokie. Oh, go ahead, go ahead.
Orang motor jin pizza bini bilar. Par koba tu gini ngambil lagi lagi dulu. Mau tak lah.
Kamolool, Urbiland. Ako kumilo project ina. Margarin na jam jen. Sino malala takara kamani.
Candle vacuum. Luffy. Kimaki. Eh? So if you light the candle on fire and put the cup, the water will rise because there's no oxygen whatsoever. The candle will die because there's also no oxygen. And the air pressure inside the glass will make the water rise.
Kamol tara. Dapat. Coba rodongan cunun tara. Sitin apa kabarnya mau kijoko.
Pardon. Mochi. Four season. Dengan Untitled di jamba jalan bawa. Yung winter elam mulu elam bio yung ejala boleh elang ngotera yung katan jijenain winter. Dan mulai aku aolep dan warden dan anain spring. Spring. Jaklaj pau. Jaklaj papu. Yung lakwit. Yung dan minakain mat ako may. Anyone malawang Kamolool Rajagan. Untitled Chun Chulai Okat. Yung summer erat o erat yung nakakapaong yung talagalak pulong yung manang ko yung muro melang alin. Rain and fall, talaga wood, yung palak, yung erat, natin, yan rain, June, July, okay. Enggak kacita.
Chala kaman, chala kacita Kamolool. Ada nabar cukul ami. Cukul tane ami yang. Kena cete. Kile. Ya kau cemil tak Kamolool.
Bertan Joel.
Oh, ya toh.
RiJikuul amalak.
Ya toh.
Peyit ichina.
Ya weh. Umay kanalele kan project kan. Weh. Ya, coba yang main kan kanalele kan.
Ciban dia. Ciban.
Kemarin coba yang kan.
Ciban merah.
Kita tuh turun lagi ke kanal. Oh, kemarin kayak pajir kan.
Iya, keberatan. Keberatan. Keberatan.
Coba jawab kan dia. Kanan kacu. Oh, kacu kanan.
Apa? Apa? Aku jalan makan.
Oh, weh.
Makan.
Kemarin kayak pajir kan project kan aja. Tane.
Saya udah ke mana? Atau udah ke mana?
Abi coba. Ta, kan project kan ami, kami project kan ta.
Wood.
Oke, ta kan ilong gitu nih.
Wood, leaf, dan root.
Oh, yung muto kayak orang kijan tangan kecil.
Rekaman wood.
Mana muat. Oke. Akalang kayak barat men kijen wood cemarang arami Jeramman ke Jeramman.
Leaves. Kaman mangai. Cibang leaves.
Agar root.
What is it? Kadudugo ya kajuk gede belak.
Yung flower and.
Kaman wood.
Ay bay. Siya, kumiyang ang mall. Oh, kumiro po yak eh. Okay, pay kumiro. Edam?
Anak ko amalak. Ilju piyawan.
Diba, unay ka nalalagang project ka na. Kaya ko eh, pajig ko.
Wait pa. Sino? Palan. Wala ko eh.
What keeps mammals warm in places with little heat? Abstract result. Kamalele. Kumarang kamalele kan pijaga ka. Tamalele yun.
Weh. Ayo ah.
Tana yung marong mata. Inawin meneno. Input nila.
Griten.
May meneno ko doon ka ba? Importa.
Ulat.
Marta. Baka na kumiwar ka po na dyan.
Ice cube. Pakai tren.
Okay. Kumiro ka nalalay kiri mo.
Iya.
Ngay, ta.
Yo. Ah, gue. Nana ka cuyu. Tika akan menino. Will you feel?
Kita ko well.
Eh?
Kita well na. Nabalik ka na ni Marolok eh. Nagtalip ka rin. Kumana ka? Okay. Kumiro na kadyo. Okay. Si Mio talak. Si Otok piyo. Oh. Yang mo jagi dyan eh. Ano da jangan. Ajam jin. Okay. Unay ka malalagan project ka na eh. Pilit. Rainbow. Oh, rainbow. Oh, alik karagi yan mga. Lot. Good afternoon. Okay. Alik karagi yan mga. Chinijibar rodok. Kamolool. Okay, chicha project chirigam. Chinijibar rodok kinla kilo live in. Kumi amol ka nami kartunin tagulo YouTube inan V7AB. Kami midya live watch yan PSS. Kamolool ro may raar to kumalo yung aolep Rikaki ro. Aolep PSS kan staff re. Ministerin Kamolool yung Kile Minister yang jilo PSS kedalang kabiwa Minister of Education, Sports and Training. Okay, Sini pa roda ka marong checho mini chinigyo. Kumiyamol.